The Chevron refinery, located in Richmond, California, is one of the largest refineries on the West Coast and processes up to 250,000 barrels of crude oil every day. As part of the Chevron Richmond oil spill response team, these Munson vessels are built to perform. In an effort to protect the sensitive marine environment in the San Francisco Bay Area, the response teams perform drills regularly.
We're going to start from here, way around. Point, we're going to have an oil breach here. Blue boat. Your job is to put a boom. We have, Castle Rock here, one of our site-sensitive areas. We're going to protect it.
The 34-foot Wharf Raider 1 is outfitted with a removable hydraulic roller to assist in oil boom deployment and retrieval. Rounded corners at the stern help maintain stability while deploying oil boom in reverse.